In a world where tiny creatures held the power of life, honeybees buzzed tirelessly. Without us, the fields would be barren. They hummed. As they danced from flower to flower, crops flourished, and food was abundant. One day, the bees vanished, and the world felt their absence. "Where are the colors?" cried the flowers. "Where is the food?" asked the people. The bees returned, whispering, "We are the bridge between nature and nourishment." With gratitude, the world learned to protect these vital pollinators, ensuring a future where both nature and humanity thrived. Like, comment, and subscribe for more stories like this.